What's cracking, y'all? It's Tristan here with the video to show you how to draw cartoon characters. So this is pretty easy. You just need a drawing program that's like all fancy and lets you do stuff like this. And a picture of your character or a screenshot, I don't care. So you're gonna want to start by drawing the lines of your character. How did that even? By drawing the lines of your character, you're gonna want to do something like this. Or if you're like a perfectionist, you could be like all perfect and do it exactly how they're drawn. I don't really give a fuck. So when you're done doing that, it should look something like this. Now we're gonna want to add some color to this. So get your picture back here, and you'll want to put it like this for this part, and then do this. You'll want to grab the color of his shirt or something, and then just go on to the other one, just like fill it. So when you're done, you should have something just vaguely like this. Anyway, but this isn't very good looking. It's got all these awful white lines and like this and stuff. So what you want to do is you're gonna make a new layer under this layer. See, like over here, you can see that. And then you're gonna want to just color under it, you know. And this won't like destroy any of the lines, so you can create a pretty seamless thing. Now you're gonna want to move the screenshot or picture of the character into your drawing of the character and make your drawing transparent so that you can grab the colors of its details. So say I want to make this spot right here, I'll just take this and then I'll make my character slightly non-transparent, but I can still see through him. So now we just want to do something like this, just like, except be better than that. Or if you don't want to do that, you can just keep the screenshot over there and try your best to draw the lines to your best ability. This sucks just because I'm not actually trying. So when you're done with that, your under layer should look vaguely like this, and your top layer should look vaguely like this. Now all of that combined, it should look like the character. If it doesn't, then we'll rewatch the video and do it right. Anyway, like and subscribe. I'm going to be back with more art tips and stuff later.